How to use Zelle with Atlantic Union Bank. Follow my instructions. Zelle makes it easy to send and receive money directly from your Atlantic Union Bank account. It's free, fast, and the money usually arrives within minutes. Here's how you can set it up and start using it. First, open the Atlantic Union Bank mobile app on your phone. Log in with your online banking username and password. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play and enroll in online banking first. Once logged in, tap on the menu and select Send Money with Zelle. Read and accept the terms and conditions to activate the feature. Now you'll need to enroll your U.S. mobile number or email address with Zelle. After enrollment, you can send money by entering your recipient's name, mobile number, or email. Type the amount you want to send and add a short note if needed. Double-check the details because Zelle payments can't be canceled once they're sent. To receive money, just share your enrolled mobile number or email with the sender. The money will go directly into your Atlantic Union Bank checking account. No extra steps required. You'll also get a notification once the transfer is complete. That's it. That's how you use Zelle with Atlantic Union Bank to send and receive money instantly. Thanks for watching.